Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps at the same time which you don't use right now, they could cause your device to work slower. So to close them at once, you can just tap on the Recents button. Here you can see all of these opened apps, and tap on this trash can icon to close them all and to release memory. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.